It's hard to believe, but a single dollar can now do what $60 protein powders can't. I've seen it with my own eyes. Older adults who were told they needed expensive supplements to stay strong, suddenly rebuilding muscle using an everyday food you can buy with pocket change. For decades, we've been sold the idea that health has to be complicated, that recovery needs powders, shakes, and unpronounceable ingredients. But the truth is simpler, cheaper, and honestly a little embarrassing for the supplement industry. Because your body doesn't just need protein, it needs absorbable protein, the kind that comes with enzymes, minerals, and natural cofactors that powders strip away during processing. I've seen this happen again and again. Seniors who gave up on fitness started regaining strength, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, all from one small change that didn't cost more than a cup of coffee. Nobody talks about it because there's no profit in $1 solutions, but it works. Today, I'm showing you the $1 food that builds muscle faster than protein powders, and I'll explain why it's more powerful, more natural, and more effective than anything you'll find in a supplement aisle. It's Greek yogurt, and the research behind this is absolutely mind-blowing when you understand what's actually happening inside your body. Greek yogurt contains something called casein protein, a slow-releasing protein that feeds your muscles steadily for up to 7 hours after you eat it. This is crucial for older adults because your muscles become more resistant to protein as you age. They need a constant supply, not quick bursts. When researchers at McMaster University studied adults over 70 who ate Greek yogurt daily, they found something remarkable. These participants maintained muscle mass even during periods of reduced activity, which is when most seniors typically lose significant muscle. The secret? Greek yogurt's unique combination of leucine, an amino acid that specifically triggers muscle growth in older adults, and probiotics that enhance protein absorption in ways that powders simply cannot replicate. But here's the key. How you eat it matters just as much as eating it. The best approach is consuming about 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt mixed with a tablespoon of honey and a handful of berries, approximately 30 minutes before your main meal of the day. This timing allows the probiotics to prepare your digestive system for enhanced nutrient absorption, while the natural sugars from honey help shuttle the protein directly into your muscle cells. You can also create a powerful muscle-building parfait by layering Greek yogurt with crushed walnuts and a sliced banana. This adds omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and allow your muscles to recover and grow more efficiently. The key is choosing Greek yogurt with at least 20 grams of protein per serving and avoiding the flavored varieties loaded with sugar, which actually interferes with protein synthesis in older adults. Here's something most people don't know. Greek yogurt becomes even more powerful when you let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes before eating. This activates the live cultures and makes the proteins more bioavailable to your aging digestive system. The ancient Greeks knew something we're just rediscovering. Real food beats processed supplements every single time. So here's my question for you. Are you spending money on expensive protein powders when you could be eating Greek yogurt instead? Drop your answer in the comments. I reply to everyone. And if this opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. We're exposing the truth about real nutrition for people over 50. Want to build even more strength? Watch next. Over 50? Do the horse stance daily. It builds strength and supports libido. Click now. Your muscles will thank you. This is Fit Fixin'. Real food, real results.